Homeopathy for dogs. Just like other sciences, veterinary medicine is always evolving to bring the best to our friends. Homeopathy for dogs is one of the complementary medicine techniques that promises to improve the quality of life of pets. An old acquaintance of complementary medicine, homeopathy was developed in the late 18th century by German physician Samuel Hahnemann, who developed the idea that healing can be done from resemblance. It works like this: the specialist dilutes the substance that causes clinical manifestation and offers this dilution to the patient in tiny doses. Sounds simple, doesn't it? But besides the cure through similarity, homeopathy has several principles that seek an energetic balance for the patient. It's a very different vision from allopathic medicine and pleases many guardians. Veterinary homeopathy follows the same principles, and the animal is offered some specific substances, dewater or mixed with sugar. An example is homeopathy for stressed dogs, which can be very beneficial, because the treatment aims to treat the organism as a whole. Many veterinarians prescribe this therapy for behavioral problems or chronic diseases. Some examples of use with an indication are homeopathy for dog coughs, homeopathy for kidney failure in dogs, and other types of unhealthy diseases and behaviors. The veterinarian, Dr. Suelen Silva, explains that veterinary homeopathy is a good option for long-term treatments, and reminds us that, in Brazil, homeopathy is a specialty recognized by the Federal Council of Veterinary Medicine. Not everybody is a fan of homeopathy. The way of conception and an action of the substances is different from the allopathic medicine, which may cause strangeness to some tutors. However, homeopathy for dogs is a treatment indicated by many specialists, because it has several positive points. Among the main qualities of the technique, we can mention, it's natural. Unlike other types of medicine, homeopathy uses natural principles found in plants and minerals. It's not invasive, just take a few pills or drops during the day and that's it. No need for needles, scalpels, or hospitalization. It has no contraindications. Homeopathy does not cause allergies, can be applied along with other therapies and has no contraindications. It is accessible. It is very easy to find homeopathic remedies. See how homeopathy for dogs can be a great idea? But don't run to the nearest store looking for a remedy for your doggy. Just like any other therapy, homeopathy should not be offered without the recommendation of a veterinarian. Homeopathy for dogs has many benefits, but this doesn't mean that it will always be a good course of action. In some cases, the veterinarian may prescribe it as a complementary treatment to an allopathic practice of medicine. In severe cases, the ideal is to make associations, explains Dr. Suelen. The veterinarian also points out that the main point at issue is time. The veterinary homeopathy is thought as a long-term treatment and not as an immediate intervention. When we talk about serious conditions, we have to be agile, she informs. But that doesn't mean that homeopathy is not indicated for more complex cases. Some delicate conditions improve considerably with the use of this century-old technique. Homeopathic remedies for dogs are highly recommended for some problems, such as heart disease prevention, parasite control, digestive system problems, kidney disease, training difficulties. As it is a complementary and natural treatment, many believe that homeopathy can be given without the indication of a veterinarian. But this is not true. Despite having no contraindications, experts remember that no medicine should be administered without monitoring. When you realize that your four-legged child needs help, the first step is to seek a veterinarian who can make an accurate diagnosis and verify the source of the problem. When we offer a medicine without a prescription, we run the risk of masking symptoms or ignoring a serious problem. Only the homeopath can determine the correct treatment, explains Dr. Suelen. According to the specialist, the doctor will analyze several of the dog's conditions, from clinical signs to emotional states. From there, he will be able to prescribe the medicine that treats the problem in a complete way.